Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I actually want to talk about two different stocks today in the oil and gas sector. The first one here is Exxon Mobil. Its ticker XOM. Last couple of days here, XOM has just kind of been going sideways, consolidating right around the 50-day moving average. On New Year's Eve, we gapped down, pushed up above the 50-day moving average, and did it on almost higher than average volume. Today, we broke above resistance, again doing it on decent volume. Now, what makes me bullish on this stock is flipping to the weekly chart. If I flip to the weekly chart and zoom in a little bit here, you can see today's move pushed us above weekly resistance. You know, we weren't able for the last 3 weeks to get above this level. We did it today, and there's still one more trading day in the week. So looking for more here from Exxon Mobil, I would watch for a move above $71, and your price target could be up here at around $73. Now, that is only 3%, but it does look like it wants to go higher. And again, breaking weekly resistance is bullish for the long-term outlook of this stock. Another oil and gas company that I want to look at is Viper, VNOM. Full disclosure, I did take a position in Viper today. My price is $25.69. It's just a small position right now because I want to see Viper push above this resistance level. Again, just like Exxon Mobil, the stock has been consolidating right around the 50-day moving average. So if this stock breaks out tomorrow or the next day or whenever, you can have a stop just below the 50-day moving average. That's giving you just about 5% risk. Because it is 5%, you probably want to start with a small position, but I would look for a swing to the upside and resistance right around this daily 200 period simple moving average. Now that level is right around 12% higher. My target for this trade is 10%. Despite the fact that this stock has a $36 price target, if we move up 10%, I'll say thank you, market. May I have another? So there's two oil and gas stocks to consider. If you want charts like this delivered to your inbox, be sure and subscribe at StockMarketMentor.com. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. Happy New Year. We'll see you tomorrow.